Management of Nutrients in Dill Seed, Anethum graveolens L. By Vaishali Survey, A.D. Raj, Seema Sharma and C.K. Patel. The present study explores the management of nutrients in dill seed, Anethum graveolens L. An adequate supply of nitrogen is associated with vigorous vegetative growth and dark green color. Phosphorus influences the vigor of plants and root growth and enhances maturity. The investigation was carried out during the Rabi season of 2016-17, 2017-18, and 2018-19 at College Farm, Navsari Agricultural University, Bharuch, Gujarat, to determine the requirement of nitrogen and phosphorus for dill seed for achieving maximum seed yield. 3 different levels of nitrogen, 20, 40, and 60 kg per hectare, and phosphorus, 0, 20, and 30 kg phosphorus pentoxide per hectare, in different combinations were distributed in the plots. The nitrogen and phosphorus were applied at the time of sowing. The different dose of nitrogen and phosphorus was applied in the form of urea and SSP as per the treatment in each plot. The results indicated that application of nitrogen at 60 kg per hectare significantly increased plant height, branches plant, number of umbels plants, seeds umbel, seed yield 1451 kg per hectare, and straw yield 6008 kg per hectare, net returns 68,299 rupees per hectare, and B/C ratio 2.4, while significantly higher grain yield 1407 kg per hectare and straw yield 5977 kg per hectare, net returns 66,289 rupees per hectare, and B/C ratio 2.3 compared with other treatment. It also significantly increased the content and uptake of nitrogen and phosphorus at 60 kg N per hectare and 30 kg phosphorus pentoxide per hectare in seed and straw, and also improved the nutrient status of the soil. Interaction effects between 60 kg N per hectare and 30 kg phosphorus pentoxide per hectare was significantly higher for umbels plant and seed yield. Plant height in dill seed did not differ significantly due to different phosphorus levels. The number of branches per plant of dill seed did not differ significantly due to different phosphorus levels. The positive influence of P application on a number of branches plants may be due to the increased availability of nitrogen and potassium, which resulted in better plant growth. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.